Good morning, guys. New day, new start to the day, and we have started a bit early today. The streets are quite silent compared to what it is during the daytime. Today we are going to a very interesting place. We are going to meet a local and he's going to take us to a temple which is not widely visited by most of the tourists. I would really request you to stay tuned to this entire video and join us in exploring this place which is lesser explored in Udaipur. So we have finally reached Shiv Temple, which is in Udaipur, not widely visited, and we have Mr. Sunny from Millets of Mewar. He has been kind enough to accompany me to this unexplored spot. Was an amazing experience going underneath and taking darshan of Lord Shiv. We have Mr. Khemraji over here with us, who is one of those guys who found this place. He is 70 years old and it's been around 60 years that they found. They were kids when they were making a house over here, and then they found that okay, there is something beneath this. There's a cave inside. It is believed that in his dreams, Lord Shiva had come and he had asked to kind of remove whatever things are there beneath inside the cave, and once it was cleared, Mr. Khemraji found a shivling over there, and that's how this entire temple came into existence. That's the story what Mr. Khemraji has enlightened us with. If you guys are in Udaipur, do ensure that you come and visit this place, and if you get a chance, please meet Khemraji and know a little bit more about this temple. Okay, so after that amazing temple experience, cave temple experience, I'm back at our usual location. Now I'll be meeting Sharanya, who didn't join me because she was sleeping. So I'll be meeting her and we'll be going to some place to have breakfast and then decide what things we need to do through the day. So stay tuned. Now here we are after Shiv Temple visit. We have come here. I've picked up Sharanya and we have come here to Jheel's Cafe, Hotel Jheel, yeah, Jheel's Cafe. Very famous for its food, all veg. Beautiful location. You can see the Hotel Taj Palace in the backdrop. Only few drawbacks. अगर आप around 11:30 के बाद आ रहे हो तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गर्म होता है, बट बीच में थोड़ी हवा आ जाती है तो ठीक है. But we would prefer or suggest you guys coming earlier in the morning, say between 9 to 10:30 ish, or somewhere later towards the evening around 4:30 onwards. First impression of the staff is not so warm. Sorry to say that, but उतना warm feeling नहीं आया right from the reception to the person who is taking our order. But yeah, Sharanya has ordered this lemon soda, which she says बहुत अच्छा है. मैं try करके देखता हूँ. हाँ भाई, yeah, it's very nice, refreshing, especially ये weather में आप अच्छा नींबू सोडा या कुछ भी refreshing पियोगे तो मज़ा ही आता है. We have ordered for quite a few things. जैसे ही आएगा, we'll keep you posted. In the meantime, you can just enjoy the views. हमारा पेस्टो सैंडविच, वेजी डिलाइट, पिज़्ज़ा, दोनों चीज़ हमने खा लिया है. पिज़्ज़ा तो अभी भी खा ही रहे. The only thing is, sandwich was nice. Pizza is very so-so. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ माइंड ब्लोइंग टेस्ट नहीं है उसको. एंड थोड़ा सा बेस भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा चूई है. मे बी देयर माइट बी सम अदर थिंग्स व्हिच माइट टेस्ट बेटर ओवर हियर. द पीच आइस टी, लेमन सोडा, पेस्टो सैंडविच, all three of them are very good. Pizza we didn't like that much, but ठीक है, चलेगा. we are now planning to take some rest and then head out because it's really sunny and it's really hot. Garam ho raha hai, bahut zyada garam ho raha hai. So we'll be heading some other place. We'll be venturing out somewhere around 3:30, 4 o'clock ish, so that by the time we reach our spots, it will be cooler and it will not be as hot it is right now. So in Udaipur, we also stumbled upon this cute little shop called Wildwire Craft that offers unique handcrafted accessories. And this place is run by Apurva and Dipali. Let me tell you, these guys are really chatty and fun-loving, and yes, very talented as well. So in case you are in Udaipur, do visit them to get your hands on some artisan jewelry made out of wire and metal. I am putting their Instagram link in description. Hi guys, now we are heading to Fateh Sagar Lake. वहाँ पे हमारा प्लान है थोड़ा मैगी और कुल्हड़ की कॉफ़ी पीने का, because that is what a lot of people do and that is what a lot of people have recommended us to do. Finally, we have reached Fateh Sagar Lake. Sunday is not a good day to come. It's very crowded, as you guys must have seen. Very crowded. We suggest probably trying this place out on a weekday. Earlier this morning, after the Shiv temple visit, I had been to the other side of the lake. So morning it was pleasant. So probably you should pick and choose your time wisely when you are coming to a highly touristy place like Fateh Sagar. You have lot of food stalls over here. We have ordered for kullad wali coffee, Maggi. So वो खाएंगे. Parking is a problem. So just be prepared for all of that. And yes, momos भी मंगाए तो फिलहाल वो खाएंगे. And then let's see how it goes from here. We thought okay, lake side होगा, थोड़ा मज़ा आएगा, but more than the lake side bit, थोड़ा सा clumsy experience है because it's very crowded. Thankfully the weather is pleasant than what it was earlier in the afternoon क्योंकि बारिश गिरी, so it's kind of cooler. So that's helping us to keep ourselves cool and level-headed as well. So yes, एक बार मैगी वैगी आ जाएगी तो खाते खाते थोड़ा बहुत बात करेंगे, थोड़ा बहुत लेक वेक के नज़ारे भी दिखाएंगे आपको. So stay tuned. तो मोमो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सो है, देखते हैं कैसे ख़त्म कर पाते हैं. कुल्हड़ की कॉफ़ी ट्राई करते हैं. ये अच्छी है बिकॉज इट हैज़ कोको पाउडर ऊपर है और नीचे कॉफ़ी है, तो व्हेन यू आर सिपिंग इट थोड़ा अच्छा टेस्ट आता है और थोड़ा अलग एक्सपीरियंस भी है बिकॉज इट्स इन एन अर्दन पॉट. So guys, Sunday wasn't that great. Yes, we had a very good start to the day. After that, to be very frank, we didn't enjoy that entire atmosphere at Fateh Sagar Lake. Maybe because of the crowd, maybe because it was raining, maybe not great food, I don't know. Like we really don't know what was wrong over there, but yes, we just couldn't connect. There was a lot of traffic. मज़ा ही नहीं आ रहा था. Like so I am not sure if you guys want to visit Fateh Sagar Lake. Maybe on some other day it might be really pleasant over there, so you may want to definitely give it a shot. After that we thought okay chalo let's go and chill at Gangor Ghat or maybe Amrai Ghat, but अंधेरा हो गया था तो फिर वो जो एक फील है वहाँ पे, एक वाइब है during the sunset, so we kind of thought okay let's go one some other day basically when the time is right. So we are chilling here at Ghost House. Here it's a nice vibe, thankfully it's cooler. There are good people around there, अच्छी company है. So that's it for the night. Stay tuned, there is a lot more to come through this road trip. Good night.